Hi, everyone. I'm going to be talking to you about the future of work, something that is impacting all of us, and I think is probably something that we're all going to be facing in a very near future. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me start with a fact that I think is going to surprise you. According to the World Economic Forum, according to McKinsey, according to our own research and research that I've been doing, look at this statistic to kick things off. Forecasting for the next 5 years is that 23% of all jobs are going to change. That's almost a quarter of all jobs that we know today. 69 million new jobs are going to be created. That's great. But 83 million jobs are going to be eliminated. These are the latest studies coming now at the end of 23. What does that mean? It means a net decrease of 14 million jobs, or 2% of current employment. So we all have to be competitive and we have to get ready. I overheard this quote from a recruiter, and I wanted to share that with you. He said, "We are at the beginning, not at the end of a massive upheaval of our work lives." So we need to get ready for that. This is what we're dealing with. What I want to share with you first is what has shaped this and what is shaping this. Well, it's being shaped by three major events. The first one was the pandemic. Look, it is really hard to overestimate how tumultuous the last few years have been for workers around the world. I mean, that is why we are seeing labor strikes. We're hearing a lot of issues. We're seeing shortages too. As the role of work is being questioned. I mean, we have a massive shortages of truck drivers, of service workers in restaurants, of air traffic controllers, you name it. So on the one hand, yes, we are hearing about layoffs, but we are also seeing massive worker shortages. And all this was really the result. We started with the COVID-19 lockdowns, except for essential workers, that really made or created a really traumatic event for pretty much everybody. And then, of course, this was then followed by the war in Ukraine and a whole host of other things. Today, we continue along that path. And, we started out with remote work, hybrid, but really pretty much now, workers want flexibility. That is not going to change. And the way work happens and the way that we work is changing.